Welcome to Let Me Know YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Good morning students. Today's topic is ratio and proportion. So first of all we are going to know about the ratio. It is a tool to compare two or more numbers of same units. Ratio is nothing but it is a tool to compare two or more numbers of same units. This is nothing but the comparison between the units, quantities of same units. Okay. The ratio of A to B is the fraction A by B and A is to B. So the ratio we consider as a fraction A by B, or we are writing in A is to B. This symbol is nothing but is to. Okay. Here the A is called antecedent or first term, and here the B is called second term or consequent. The A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. Okay. The value of the ratio remains unchanged if each one of its term is multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. Okay. The value of a ratio remains unchanged, a change avadu, if each one of its term is multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number. Next, A square is to B square is nothing but duplicate ratio of A is to B, and A cube is to B cube is nothing but triplicate ratio of A is to B. Okay. Next, we are going to have proportion. Proportion is nothing but the equality of two ratios. The equality of two ratios are called proportion. Let A, B, C, D are the four quantities, then A is to B is in proportion with C is to D. This is the symbol of proportion. Okay. So the same we are going to write like this: A by B equal to C by D. A is to B is nothing but A by B. Proportion is nothing but equal to C is to D is nothing but C by D. A, B equal to C, D. Next, the third proportional of A and B is nothing but B square by A. Mean proportional of A and B is nothing but root AB. Fourth proportional of ABC is nothing but BC by A. Okay. Next, here we going to have some question and answers. How we are going to do it? See, if P is to Q equal to 3 is to 4 and Q is to R equal to 8 is to 9, then what is PQR? P is to Q is to R. Okay. Here we have two methods to solve this. Here we are going to see with one method, and later we will go for another method. P by Q equal to nothing but we are just comparing this Q value. Here we have 4, here we have 8. Okay. So that's why this 4 we need to make it as 8. That's why we are multiplying and dividing the 3 by 4 with the 2. Okay. It will become 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So now compare the Q quantities, 8 8 only. Then write P is to Q is to R. P is 6, Q is 8, R is 9. So P is to Q is to R is nothing but 6 is to 8 is to 9. If A is to B equal to 3 is to 4 and B is to C equal to 5 is to 6, then C is to D equal to 11 is to 9, then A is to D we need to find. A is to D is nothing but A by B into B by C into C by D. So A get cancelled, C get cancelled, remaining AD only. Okay. So according to the given questions, given quantities A by B 3 by 4, A by B is 3 by 4, B by C is 5 by 6, C by D is 11 by 9. So 3 ones are 3 threes are get cancelled. 5 11s are 55, 24 threes are 72. So A is to D is nothing but 55 is to 72. Next we have 5 is to 75 is in proportion with 15 is to 45. Then I am writing the 5 is to 7 is nothing but 11 x by 75, that equal to 15 by 45. 15 ones are 15 threes are get cancelled. Next just cross multiply this one. 75 will be on right side, x equal to 75 by 3, that is 25. Okay, here we are going to have a formula to do the same, that is nothing but the formula is product of extremes equal to product of means. Okay, product of extremes nothing but here A is to B and C is to D are the ratios which are in proportion. Then this A and D are called extremes, B and C are called means. So now product of extremes is nothing but A into D, then product of means is nothing but B into C. So the formula is AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC. So in that way also we can do this one, that equal to AD is nothing but x into 45. So 45x equal to C into D is nothing but 75 into 15. Okay, next then x equal to 75 into 15 by 45. 15 ones are 15 threes are 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So then x equal to 25. Okay, in this way also we are going to get the same result. Next we have find the ratio between 20 paisa and 3 rupees. Okay, the ratio itself we say the same quantities of same units, but here the quantity is same, rupees only, amount only, but units are different. Here we have paisa, here we have rupees, so we need to convert that rupees to paisas. Always you need to convert higher units to lower units. So rupees is higher, paisas is lower, that's why higher to lower you have to convert. So 3 rupees equal to 300 paisa, then the ratio between 20 paisa is to 300 paisa, that is nothing but 0 0 get cancelled. So 2 ones are 2, 15s are, so 1 by 15, that is nothing but 1 is to 15 is the answer. Okay, the ratio between 20 paisa and 3 rupees is nothing but 1 is to 15. Salaries of Vivek and Vimal are 1400 and 1600. Find the ratios of their salaries. Ratio itself we have to know about fraction 1400 by 1600, that is nothing but 0000 get cancelled, 2 7s are 2 8s are. The ratio is 7 by 8 or 7 is to 8. Next we have another type questions. Just see the questions. Two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If 9 is added to each, they will be in the ratio of 3 is to 4. The numbers are, okay, first the ratio is in 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. Let the numbers be 2x and 3x. 9 is added to each number, it will become 2x plus 9 and 3x plus 9. These are the two numbers. Then the new ratio after adding 9, that new ratio will be 3 is to 4. That is nothing but 2x plus 9 by 3x plus 9 equal to 3 by 4. By doing cross multiplication, 4 of 2x plus 9, 3 of 3x plus 9. Then 4 to the 8x plus 36 equal to 9x plus 27, that equal to that 36 is on left side, 27 you just transpose to left, it will become minus 27. 9x is on right, just transpose 8x to right, it will become minus 8x. 9x minus 8x is nothing but x. 36 minus 27 is nothing but 9. Then the x value is 9. Now the two numbers are, first number we assume that 2x, that is nothing but 2 into 9, 18. The second number is 3x, that is nothing but 3 into 9, 27. Okay, the numbers are 18 comma 27. Next, a comma b and c divide an amount of 9861 amongst themselves in the ratio of 3:11:5 respectively. What is the b's share in the amount? When we are going to do the shares, we need to remember one thing, sir. The share of particular person is nothing but, here we are taking the share of b. B share equal to ratio of b into total amount by total number of sum of the total shares, sum of the total shares. Total shares is nothing but we can do the sum, only we are going to get the total sum of the total shares. Okay, see the formula once again. B share equal to ratio of b into total amount by total of shares. Okay, so 11 into 9861 by total of shares, sum of that shares is 19. So while we simplify this one, we are going to get 5709 rupees is the share of b. Next we have a question, if a is to b equal to 5:4 and b is to c equal to 7:3, then find ABC. Here we already seen this question as example. So a by b equal to 5/4, 14, b by c equal to 7/3. So compare b terms first. So here 14 is there, here 7 is there. So to make b as 14, I am multiplying with 7/3 with 2, 2/2. So 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6. Now just compare, a is to b is to c equal to 5 is a value, b value is 14 and c value is 6. 5:14 is to 6. Now we have another question. What must be added to each term of the ratio 49:68 so that it becomes 3:4? So let the number x number should be added to each term. The new ratio will be 3:4. Then 49 plus x by 68 plus x equal to 3/4. Just cross multiply this. You are going to get 196 plus 4x equal to 204 plus 3x by multiplying 4 with 49 plus x, 3 with 68 plus x. Okay. Then after that we are going to have here, just transpose the like terms one side, 4x, here 3x will be left, transpose to left side, it will become minus 3x, 204 and 196 transpose to right side, it will become minus 196. Then x equal to 8. So the number x is nothing but 8. So if we add 8 to 49:68, the new ratio will be this. If we add then 8 to the numbers, the new ratio will become 3/4 or 3:4. See the fifth one. 5:7, 2:5 is in proportion with 8:x. So before only we discuss about product of extremes equal to product of means. Then 2x equal to 8 5s are 40. That only we are going to do here. 2/5 equal to 8/x. Just cross multiply, we are going to get 2x equal to 80. Okay, product of extremes equal to product of means. Then x equal to 40/2, that equal to x equal to 2. The x value is 20. Okay, here the x equal to 40 by 2, that is 20. By simplifying 40 by 2 we are going to get 20, x equal to 20. Now see the next question. A is to b equal to 2 is to 3, b is to c equal to 4 is to 5. Then find a is to b is to c. Okay, a is to b is to c. Here a simple method we already discussed about the previous method, which where we are making the b as like term, same term, by multiplying with other number. Here we have another method, I cross I. Okay, see, I is nothing but in this way you have to multiply. 2 4s are 8, cross 3 4s are 12, I 3 5s are 15. Okay, 8 is to 12 is to 15 is the value of a is to b is to c. If in these numbers, if we are able to do the calculations, we are able to do the simplification of this, you can do with any of the number. Okay, but here 8 12 15 will not be divided with one number, that's why leave it as it is. I have another shares question, that is divide 4000 among a b c so that their shares may be in the ratio of 5 is to 7 is to 8. So a share equal to ratio of a into total by total shares, total amount by total shares. Okay, so a share is 5 into 4000 by 5 plus 7 plus 8, 20. By simplifying this we are going to get 1000 rupees. A share will be 1000 and the b share will be b into total amount by total shares, that is 7 into 4000 by 20, 200, that is nothing but 1400. We have c share, c equal to total amount of c share equal to ratio into total amount by total shares, that is nothing but 8 into 4000 by 20, that is 1600. The shares of a b c is nothing but 1000, 1400, 1600. Next we have a is to b equal to 6 is to 7 and b is to c equal to 8 is to 9. Then we need to find a is to c. See, just before this question we find the value for a is to b is to c. There we use the formula as I cross I, but here they ask us to find only the a is to c values. So just I only, no need to do the cross multiplication of these 7 and 8. Okay, 6 8s are 48 is to 7 9s are 63. Just simplify this with any of the number if possible. So here is a possibility with a 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 16 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 21. So a is to c value is nothing but 16 is to 21. Next question. The ratio of number of boys and girls in a school is 4 is to 3. If there are 480 boys in the school, find the number of girls in the school. So number of boys to girls ratio is given 4 is to 3. So number of boys also given, so that is 480. So that is nothing but 4 shares equal to 480. So from that 1 share equal to 480 by 4, that equal to 120 members. In 1 share we have 120 members. So girls 3 shares, so 3 into 120, that is nothing but 360. Okay, number of girls is 360. Find the mean proportion of 9 and 16. So that is nothing but the formula we have here is root AB, that equal to root of 9 into 16, that is 9 6 69 are 144. Root 144 value is 12. Okay, the root 144 value is 12. The mean proportion of root A and B is nothing but 12. Thank you, that's all for today. Just practice more.
Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.